Hello students, let us continue chapter 8 decimals. The next topic we are going to discuss is using decimals. So first of all we will be discussing money. We know that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. यानी कि 1 rupees means 100 पैसे. We already know that. तो अगर हमें 1 पैसे फाइंड करना हो तो then if we have to convert paise to rupees, then 1 paise will be equal to 1 upon 100 rupees, यानी कि 0.01 rupees. ठीक है. अगेन 100 पैसे जो है वो 1 रुपी है, तो 1 पैसे क्या हो जाएगा, इट विल बी 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 100, 1 अपॉन 100 विच इज इक्वल टू 0.01 रुपीस. ठीक है. तो ये 1 पैसे के लिए था. 65 पैसे will be equal to 65 upon 100 rupees. 65 upon 100 in the form of decimal will be 0.65. So 65 upon 100 is equal to 0.65 rupees. So we began with 65 paise, then that is 0.65 rupees. Similarly for 5 paise. 5 पैसे हैं तो रुपीज़ में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, डिवाइडेड बाय 100. देन दिस इज इक्वल टू, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में 1 के बाद 2 zeros हैं, वी रिक्वायर 2 digits आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट. ठीक है. अब हमारे पास सिंगल डिजिट है तो क्या करेंगे, 0.5 लगा देंगे और डेसिमल से पहले भी 0. सो 5 पैसे इज 0.05 rupees. So in this way we can convert money. That is, we can use decimals to write money. What is 105 paise? It is 1 rupee and 5 paise. क्योंकि देखो 105 है तो पहले हम इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं, 100 पैसे प्लस 5 पैसे, राइट. 100 पैसे को अगर हमें रुपीज़ में लिखना है then that will be equal to 100 upon 100. Right, and this will be 5 paise will be 5 upon 100. So 100 upon 100 is nothing but 1 and 5 upon 100 is 0.05. So this will be equal to 1 plus 0.05. जब ऐड करेंगे then we know that we will get 1.05. इसीलिए 105 पैसे जो है that is equal to 1.05 rupees. Next, length. Mahesh wanted to measure the length of his tabletop in meters. He had 50 centimeter scale. He found that the length of the tabletop was 156 centimeter. What will be its length in meters? Mahesh had to measure the tabletop. ये जो table है उसे measure करना था. He had a 50 centimeter scale and he found out the measure of the, that is the length of the tabletop was 156 centimeter. अब हमें इसे convert करना है मीटर में. Okay, and we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Therefore 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 1 upon 100 is nothing but 0.01. So 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. Now that we know the conversions, we need to convert 156 centimeter to meters. So 100 जो है, 100 centimeter जो है that makes 1 meter. ठीक है. तो इसमें 100 subtract कर लेंगे तो we will have 56. तो पहले 56 को कन्वर्ट करेंगे. क्या किया है, 156 को ब्रेक किया है 100 प्लस 56 में. सो पहले 56 सेंटीमीटर को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे मीटर में. सो वी विल हैव 0.56 meters. 56 divided by 100. Okay. Thus the length of the tabletop is 100 plus 56 सेंटीमीटर, और 100 सेंटीमीटर को डिवाइड बाय 100 करेंगे क्योंकि कन्वर्ट करना है मीटर में. जस्ट लाइक वी डिड फॉर 105 रुपीज़, दिस विल बिकम 1. ठीक है, क्योंकि 100 सेंटीमीटर जो है वो 1 मीटर है. देयरफॉर 156 centimeter can be written as 100 centimeter plus 56 centimeter. 100 centimeters make 1 meter and 56 centimeter is nothing but 0.56 meters. तो दोनों को ऐड करके we will get 1.56 meters. So in this way we can convert centimeter to meters using decimals. Weight. Nandu bought 500 gram potatoes, 250 gram capsicum, 700 gram onions, 500 gram tomatoes, 100 gram ginger and 300 gram radish. What is the total weight of the vegetable in the bag? Let us add the weight of all the vegetables in the bag. यानी कि ये जो यहाँ पर figures given है, ये जो numbers given है, सबको add कर देंगे तो हमें total weight मिल जाएगा. Because for finding total we will find the sum. Okay, तो we will add 500 plus 250 plus 700 and so on. When we add we will get 2350 grams. We know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. So 1 gram will be equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram, which is equal to 0.001 kilogram. तो 1 ग्राम को अगर हमें एक्सप्रेस करना है इन किलोग्राम, then it is 0.001 kilogram. So here we had 2350 gram. So again we can write it as 2000 plus 350. इस तरह से क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि 2000 है और यहाँ पे हमें पता है कि 1000 ग्राम को 1 kg लिखा जा सकता है. सो यहाँ पर इस तरह से we add it up. 2350 को ब्रेक किया है 2000 plus 350. So for converting gram to kilogram we will divide this by 1000. 1 upon 1000, right? So divide करेंगे, then we will have 2 kg because all the zeros will get cancelled. We will be left with 2 kilogram and this will be 0.350 kilograms. So adding these two we will get 2.350 kilogram. So we can say 2350 grams is equal to 2 kilogram and 350 gram, or express it in the decimal form as 2.350 kilogram. So here we have the total weight of the vegetable in Nandu's bag in kilograms. So in this way we can convert weight from gram to kilogram. Similarly, we learned for money and length as well. Now let us begin exercise 8.4, question number 1. Express as rupees using decimals. First, 5 paise. In the first question, we are given paise, money in the form of paise, and we have to express them as rupees. तो पैसे को रुपीस में कन्वर्ट करना है, सो वी विल बी डिवाइडिंग इट विथ 100. सो यहाँ पर हमें डेसिमल मिलेगा तो डेसिमल फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस करना है. सो वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड 5 पैसे. सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू राइट द सॉल्यूशन फॉर 5 पैसे. नेक्स्ट, फॉर 75 पैसे, टू कन्वर्ट दिस in the form of rupees, we will divide it by 100. So 75 paise is 75 divided by 100 rupees. So this is 0.75 rupees. Next we have 20 paise. Again 20 paise को अगर convert करना है rupees में, same procedure, we will be dividing it with 100 and this is equal to rupees 0.2 और 0.20. इस वे में भी लिख सकते हैं. सो 20 पैसे इज इक्वल टू 0.20 रुपीज़. नेक्स्ट वी हैव 50 रुपीज़ एंड 90 पैसे. सो यहाँ पे हम 50 रुपीज़ को कन्वर्ट नहीं करेंगे. 50 रुपीज़ विल बी केप्ट एज इट इज़. सो वी विल कन्वर्ट 90 पैसे. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 50 रुपीज़ plus 90 upon 100 rupees. यहाँ पर 90 को कन्वर्ट करना है, 90 पैसे को कन्वर्ट करना है रुपीज़ में. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 90 अपॉन 100 रुपीज़. 50 रुपीज़ प्लस 90 अपॉन 100 is 0.90 रुपीज़. सो दोनों को ऐड कर लेंगे. वी नो हाउ टू ऐड these numbers, whole and decimal. So this is 50.90 rupees, or you can write this as rupees 50.90. Next we have 725 paise. In sub question E we have 725 paise. So this is equal to 700 plus 25 पैसे. सो यहाँ पर आप लोगों को स्प्लिट करके मैंने बता दिया है. एंड वी हैव सॉल्व सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस. वी विल बी डिवाइडिंग बोथ विथ 100 and then convert it into rupees. So this is homework for you. You have to solve this question on your own. I have already gave you a hint. 700 divided by 100 and 25 divided by 100 करना है. So whatever the answer is, that will be equal to 725 paise. So in this way you have to solve question number 1 in your notebook. Question number 2. Express as meters using decimals. A 15 centimeter. So यहाँ पर हमें सेंटीमीटर में given है. We have to convert this, that is we have to express this in the form of meters. So this is length. For converting centimeters to meters, we need to divide the given values with 100. Because we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So for 15 centimeter, we can write this as 15 upon 100 meters, which is equal to 0.15 meters. So here 15 सेंटीमीटर इज़ नथिंग बट 15 अपॉन 100 मीटर. ठीक है, जब भी सेंटीमीटर में गिवन है और मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, वी विल डिवाइड विथ 100. सो दिस इज 0.15 meters. Similarly for 6 centimeter, we will divide it by 100. So this is 0.06 meters. ठीक है, यहाँ पर we know how to convert this in the form of decimals. ऐसे fraction को decimal में कैसे convert करते हैं, we already know that. Next in sub question C we have 2 meter and 45 centimeter. So in this question also 2 meter को हम लोग as it is रखेंगे because it is already in the form of meters, and we will be converting 45 centimeter into meters. So for that we will be dividing it with 100. 45 divided by 100 is nothing but 0.45. So we will be adding this with 2 and we have it in the form of meters now. So दोनों को add करेंगे, we will have 2.45 meters. So 2 meter 45 centimeter is equal to 2.45 meters. Next in sub question D, you are given 9 meter and 7 centimeter. So that also should be solved in the same way. So sub question D is homework for you. In sub question E, you have 419 centimeter. We already know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So यहाँ पर 100 के multiple में we have 400. So separating that and 19. ठीक है, 419 is 400 plus 19. So for converting this in meter, we will divide this with 100. So it is 400 upon 100 plus 19 upon 100, and the unit is meters. So the zeros gets cancelled. We have 4 plus 19 upon 100 is 0.19. 0.19, and this is in meters. So adding these two we get 4.19 meters. So 419 centimeter is 4.19 meters. Sub question D is homework for you, and in this way you have to solve question 2 in your notebook. Express as centimeter using decimals. A 5 millimeter. In this question we are given the values in millimeter और हमें express करना है as centimeters. We know that 10 millimeter इज इक्वल टू 1 सेंटीमीटर. तो अगर हमें 1 मिलीमीटर गिवन है, so that will be equal to 1/10 centimeters. So simply for converting a given value from millimeter to centimeter, we will divide it with 10. So we are given 5 millimeter. So 5 millimeter will be equal to 5/10 centimeter. And 5/10 is nothing but 0.5 centimeter. So in this way we will convert millimeter to centimeter. So 5 millimeter is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Next, 60 millimeter. So converting this into centimeter, we have 60 by 10 centimeter. So the zeros gets cancelled. Here we have 6, or we can write 6.0 centimeters. In sub question C, you have 164 millimeter. Now, as I told you, we have 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So we can write this as 160 plus 4 millimeters. Okay. So millimeter है, अब centimeter में convert करने के लिए it will be 160 divided by 10 plus 4 divided by 10, and now the unit becomes centimeter. Okay, now this is equal to 16 plus 0.4 centimeter. So adding these two, we will get 16.4 centimeters. So here 164 millimeters is equal to 16.4 centimeters. In the same way, in this question number 3, you have sub question D and sub question E. So similar है, और previous questions जो हमने discuss किए थे, in the same way आपको ये सब क्वेश्चन डी और सब क्वेश्चन ई सॉल्व करना है on your own and write the proper solution in your notebook. Question number 4. Express as kilometers using decimals. A. 8 meter. So in this question we are given meters and we need to express them as kilometers using decimals. First of all, we have 8 meter. Let us see the solution. In question number 4, we have to express as kilometers और हमें वैल्यू मीटर में गिवन है. तो 8 मीटर है, किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए we need to divide it by 1000. So 8 meter is equal to 8/1000 kilometers, and this will be equal to, in the form of decimal we can express it as 0.008 kilometers. So 8 meter is equal to 0.008 kilometers. We know that 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. इसीलिए 1 meter will be equal to 1/1000 kilometers. So that is why we will be dividing with 1000. Next we have 88 meter. Again same thing. For converting 88 into kilometers, we will be dividing it with 1000. So this will be 0.088. 3 digits after the decimal place, because we have 3 zeros in the denominator, and we have expressed it in the form of kilometers. In sub question C, you have 8888 meters. So sub question C is homework for you. In sub question D, you have 70 kilometer plus 5 meter. 70 kilometer and 5 meter. So 70 kilometers को as it is रखेंगे, and 5 meter can be expressed as 5/1000 meter. So this is 70 plus 0.005. ठीक है, ये डेसिमल में कन्वर्जन करेक्ट लिखना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आप 0.05 लिखोगे then it is obviously wrong, because we have 3 zeros in the denominator, 3 numbers after the decimal place. And sorry, this is in kilometers. This is 70.005 kilometers. So 70 kilometer and 5 meter is 70.005 kilometers. Question number 5. Express as kilogram using decimals. A. 2 grams. In this question we are given grams and we need to express them as kilograms using decimals. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So we will be dividing the given numbers with 1000 to convert them into kilograms and write them in the form of decimals. So let us see the solution. In question number 5, we need to express grams as kilograms, and as I already told you, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Therefore, 1 gram will be equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So here we have 2 grams. This is 2 upon 1000 kilogram. So decimal में कैसे convert करेंगे? 0.002 kilograms. Next, in sub question B, we have 100 grams. So this is equal to 100 upon 1000 kilograms. So cancelling the zeros, we have 1 by 10. 1 by 10 kilograms, that is equal to 0.1 kilograms. Next, in sub question C, you have 3750 grams. So that is homework for you. You have to solve it on your own. In sub question D, sub question C is very simple. 3750 here, so you have to split it up. 3000 plus 750. Since we have discussed the similar question, you have to solve it as a homework. In sub question D, you have 5 kilogram, 8 gram. So 5 kilogram will be kept as it is, and 8 grams can be expressed in the form of kilograms as 8 upon 1000 kilograms. Okay, so यहाँ पर we will have 5 plus 0.008, and now the unit is kilograms. So 5 plus 0.008 करेंगे, then we will have 5.008 kilograms. So 5 kilogram 8 gram is 5.008 kilograms. In the same way, sub question E, you have 26 kilogram 500 gram. So that is also similar to sub question D. So question number E, sub question E is homework for you. You have to solve it on your own and write the proper solution in this way in your notebook.